Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create email folders in Proton Mail. Proton Mail is a privacy-focused email platform developed by the Proton and it offers powerful tools to help users manage their inbox efficiently. One useful feature is the ability to create email folders. Folders help you work personal messages, receipts, or the important conversations, making it easier to find messages when you need them. First, open any of the web browser that you prefer. On the top, there's an address bar. Type in proton.me and enter it. Over here, make sure to log into your account. In the top right, click on the sign in over here in order to access to your inbox. Over here, select to this mail. And once you reach into this Proton official mail, in the left hand side, we can find this folders below the newsletters. Click onto this folders and select to this plus icon beside it. Over here, you need to type down a folder name. Then you can also set a folder location if you want. And if you want a notification toggled on, you can also do that and select save after that. And over here we can find this email folder had just been created, and creating folders in Proton on PC is a great way to keep your inbox organized. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.